According to reports, nearly 166,690 individuals sought treatment for the flu across approximately 5,000 medical facilities in Japan, averaging 33.72 cases per facility during the week ending December 10. Japan is grappling with a worrisome surge in flu cases, prompting the central government to declare that the average number of influenza patients at designated medical institutions nationwide has escalated to a warning level at the fastest rate in a decade. Surpassing the established warning level of 30, the average of 33.72 people per facility, as stated by the Ministry of Health, Labour and Welfare, is a cause for concern. The National Institute of Infectious Diseases estimates the total number of patients nationwide during the same period to be approximately 1,118,000. During lockdowns and periods of social distancing, reduced exposure to common pathogens was effective in curbing the spread of COVID-19, but may have led to a decline in immune system stimulation from other pathogens, potentially impacting overall immune response robustness. This swift increase is attributed to the lowered influenza immunity. Health experts have also observed that the influenza virus is spreading about a month earlier than usual. Complicating matters, coronavirus cases have been on the rise for the third consecutive week, prompting authorities to issue caution. There are mounting concerns that both viruses could spread further as year-end and New Year's social gatherings take place in Japan. In response to the escalating situation, the Ministry of Health mandated closures for 6,382 educational facilities nationwide in the week leading up to Sunday, that is December 17th. While influenza outbreaks typically occur in winter and late spring, this year witnessed an unusual increase in cases starting from August. The ministry, noting the surpassing of the advisory level for October 10, cautioned against the flu, emphasizing preventive measures similar to those for COVID-19, including vaccination, mask wearing, and avoiding crowded places, as stated by Nobuhiko Okabe, head of the Kawasaki City Institute for Public Health.